किड्स स्कॉलर। सो आज जो है हम लोग एक नया टॉपिक पे क्लास करने वाले हैं, दैट इज़ लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स। ओके, और मैं एक इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहती हूँ कि हमारा जो भी वीडियो किड्स स्कॉलर से आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, उससे रिलेटेड जो भी वर्कशीट है आपको जो है हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, और वो भी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। वी सी मेनी थिंग्स, ओके, वी सी मेनी थिंग्स around us, like elephant, butterfly, cycle, table, ball, bird, mountain, car, tiger, tree, giraffe, house, and human beings, right? So we see these kinds of things around us. Okay, and these things are the mixture of living things and non-living things. हमारा जो चीज़ हम लोग जो चारों तरफ जो हम लोग चीज़ देखते हैं, वो क्या चीज़, वो दो तरह की चीज़ होते हैं, इधर इट कुड बी अ लिविंग थिंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग, राइट? सो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी व्हाट आर लिविंग थिंग्स। हम लोग देखेंगे कि लिविंग थिंग्स होते क्या हैं। सो थिंग्स दैट हैव लाइफ, थिंग्स दैट हैव लाइफ, okay, things that have life are called living things, are called living things. Like, see, first one is human beings, it has a life. Tree, it has a life. Elephant, it has a life. Elephant is a kind of animal, so it is a living thing, right? And most importantly, tree is also a living thing. Human, right? It is a tree, and it is an animal. Okay, so the given examples are of living things. We are going to see the characteristics of living things. अब हम लोग क्या देखेंगे कि living things के जो characteristics जो है वो क्या क्या होते हैं। First, it can breathe. Living things can breathe, it can move, it can grow, it need food and water to survive, right? We need food and water to survive, and it can reproduce also. What is the meaning of reproduce? Reproduce means to reproduce its own kind, to reproduce its babies. Okay, it is called reproduce. Reproduce मतलब अपने तरह एक इंसान को जन्म देना, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं reproduce करना। री means फिर से, री means again, रिपीटेड थिंग्स को हम लोग बोलते हैं री, एंड प्रोड्यूस मतलब फिर से प्रोड्यूस करना, लाइक वंस, खुद के जैसे। ओके, लिविंग थिंग्स कैन ब्रीथ. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी दिस विद एग्जांपल. सी, इट इज अ फ्रॉग, राइट? इट इज अ फ्रॉग, इट कैन ब्रीथ. So as you can see in the picture, it is a girl who is doing yoga, as you can see, means she is breathing. Okay, see, can move means how it moves. As you can see in the video, both the girls are moving, right? Can grow, आप देख सकते, grow मतलब क्या, बड़ा होना. Grow means बड़ा होना. See, first the given example is of seed. First one is seed. Seed, after some time seed becomes plant. Okay, after some time seed becomes plant, and after some time plant becomes tree, right? After some time plant becomes tree. See the next picture. First one is baby. First one is baby. Then after some time baby becomes child, and then comes adult, and then last one is old. Okay, need food and water. All the living things need food and water, and you can see in the pictures that the boy is having breakfast. मतलब he needs breakfast or food and water to live. As you can see in the next picture, that monkey is having banana, and the next one is the old woman is having water. Okay, so all the given pictures are of example of the living things that need food and water. जिनको क्या चाहिए, खाना चाहिए और पानी चाहिए सर्वाइव करने के लिए, right? See, can produce, living things can produce means as you can see, cow can produce its own ones, अपना own kind जो है cow produce what? Cow produce calf. Okay, and the next one is, as you can see, sheep. This is sheep, right? This is sheep and its baby. This is its own kind, right? इसका baby है, मतलब this is lamb. Okay, now see the next picture, that is of pig. that is of, this is what, this is pig, okay, and its baby, that is piglet, it can produce. See, now next one is, this is dog. What is this? This is dog and its baby is puppy, okay. Now see the next picture, that is of cat, okay, this is the picture of cat and its baby is kitten, okay. Now see the next picture, that is chicken, okay, that is chicken, or you can say hen, or you can say hen, okay, and its baby is called chick, okay. Now we are going to see our next topic, that is non-living things. What are non-living things? Things that have no life, okay, that have no life are called non-living things, okay. Non-living things is totally opposite of living things, as living things have life but non-living things do not have life, right? So you can see in the example, in the picture given, first one is the wall. As you can see, this is the wall of brick and it is a kind of non-living thing. As you can see in the second picture, that is of table, it is also a kind of non-living thing. And you can see this picture, that is of car, it is also a kind of non-living thing, okay. So now we are going to see the characteristics of non-living things. What are the characteristics of non-living things? See, first one is cannot breathe. It cannot breathe. It cannot move. It cannot grow. It do not need food and water to survive. It cannot reproduce. Okay, it cannot reproduce. It do not need any food and water to survive. Okay. Let's clear this topic with the example. See, cannot breathe. Let's take example of cannot breathe. See, the given example is of wall. Is wall can breathe? Can wall breathe? No, it cannot breathe. And the second one is books. They also cannot breathe. And the car, it also cannot breathe. Okay. Now see the next one, cannot move. See, what is the given examples? First one is house, as you can see, and you know also that house cannot move. Table also cannot move. And the given example is comb also cannot move, right? Cannot grow. See, what is the given example here? First one is bicycle, it cannot grow. Okay, if you have a small bicycle, it will remain small, it will not turn into a big cycle. Okay, so it cannot grow. And see the next one, it is a photo, it is a picture of football, right? So if you have a small football, means it remain your small football, it will not turn to a big football, right? So it cannot grow. So no need of food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water for survival. Okay, as you can see, what is this house? Okay, it do not need food and water to survive. And this is car. It also do not need food and water to survive. It also need what? Petrol, right? It needs petrol टू बी ड्रिवन. इसको अगर ड्राइव करना है तो आपको क्या लगेगा? इसको पेट्रोल देना पड़ेगा. इट कैन नॉट मूव, लाइक ये जो है इसको फूड और वाटर की ज़रूरत नहीं, जैसे कि हम लोग लिविंग थिंग्स को चाहिए. ठीक है, देखिए नेक्स्ट वन जो है मेरा वो क्या है? टेबल है. इनको भी फूड एंड वाटर की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है सर्वाइवल के लिए. सी नाउ दिस इज वर्किंग शीट ऑफ माई दिस वीडियो. सी what is given here? Tick mark on correct answer. Okay, so there is some pictures given. Okay, and now we have to tick out. Okay, tick out the correct answer according to the picture. First you can see this is house, right? So now you have to tick out if it is it can breathe or can move or can grow. Okay, whatever its features you have to tick out, and which is wrong you have to cross. See what is given here. ये मैं आप लोग को करके दिखाती हूँ. देखिए पहला क्या है? हमारा हाउस है. अब देखना है हाउस कैन ब्रीद, इट कैन ब्रीद और नॉट. तो ये क्या होगा? दिस इज रॉन्ग, इट कैन नॉट ब्रीद. It cannot move. Yes. It can grow. No, it cannot grow. It need food and water. No, it do not need food and water. It can reproduce. Never. It can never reproduce. It is a living thing. No, it is not a living thing. It is a non-living thing. Yes, it is a kind of non-living thing. Okay, now come to the next one, that is elephant. Okay, now tell me, it can breathe. Yes, it can breathe. Now let's see the next one. It can move. Yes, of course it can move. It can grow. Yes, it can grow. Need food and water. Yes, it need food and water. It can reproduce. Yes, it can reproduce. And it is a living thing. Yes, it is a living thing. And non-living things, no, it is not a living thing. Okay, now see the next example, that is of tiger. So it can breathe. Yes, it can breathe. It can move. It can grow. It need food and water. It can reproduce. It can reproduce. It is a living thing, and it is not a non-living thing. Now come to tree. Okay, so it can breathe. Yes, tree is a kind of living thing, and it can breathe. It can move. No, it cannot move. Being a living thing, it has a exceptional feature that it cannot move. एक पेड़ जो होता है, एक ट्री जो है, वो लिविंग थिंग है. इट कैन डू ऑल दी फंक्शंस एज वी कैन डू एक्सेप्ट वन फंक्शन दैट इज मूविंग. ओके, लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट मूव. इट कैन रिप्रोड्यूस ऑल्सो. इफ यू कैन हैव अ सीड, आप एक सीड से जो है ना, सीड से, एक पेड़ के पत्ती से जो है आपका एक अलग जो है पेड़ बन जाता है ना. सो इट कैन रिप्रोड्यूस एज वेल, बट इट कैन नॉट मूव. ओके, now come to the next topic, that is it can grow. Of course it can grow. It need food and water. It can reproduce, and it is a kind of living thing. It is not a living thing. Okay, now see the next one, that is a table. So it can breathe. No, it cannot breathe. It cannot move. It can grow. No, it cannot grow. It do not need food and water. It can reproduce. No, it cannot reproduce. It is a living thing. No, it is not a living thing. It is a kind of non-living thing. Okay, so the last one is brick. As you can see, brick, wall of a brick, right? So it can breathe. No, this is also wrong. Cannot move. No, it cannot grow. Need food and water. No, not at all. Can reproduce. Never. It cannot reproduce. It is a living thing. No, it is not a living thing. It is a kind of non-living things. Okay, so it was my working of the chapter of the video, that is of living thing and non-living things. So please kindly watch out my videos, and thank you everyone.